What's up, everybody? We're making pizza. We're gonna make a pizza today. Pizza with pepperoni, and we got pepperoni and
If I wanted to purchase one later,
how much is it?
$1.
$1 per slice.
$1 per
How
slice.
much is a whole pizza?
It goes $1, please. I need $1. Come on, man. Let's make this pizza. Roll up to my house. Roll to my house and come make this pizza with me. $1.
Can I get about 3 of them? Is it $1 a piece?
All right, y'all. So we got
I'll come pick them up.
a little bit of sausage, bacon,
Wow.
peppers,
And onions.
pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
That's what we got.
We have sausage
More sausage and bacon is we need
and
more.
pepperoni. All right, Michael, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you eating the topping?
First, we need to wash
No,
it.
wash your not stick pizza pan.
How you gonna wash it?
Hey, no more.
Here's the video.
Good job, Makai. Good job. Washy, washy. Oh, wow. High five.
Hey, chef. I forgot the most important ingredient.
What do you have to say now?
Okay, make a pizza without cheese.
Really can. Put your gloves on. Gloves for you.
Then I'm shaking your gloves.
What else do we have to do with this pizza?
I don't know.
Does Daddy know how to make pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my god! Put it on me.
Please.
Put it on my finger, please.
Well, your hands are kind of small, so it's okay.
No, my hands are big. I'm 4.
Right, but...
I got his
Yeah,
gloves.
no.
Kai, you got your gloves on?
Put it in, Mom. Oh, what? We gotta go.
You like some cheese on it already or something.
Oh, I think so. It is hard. Can I eat it? No, I'm just gonna wait. Oh! Pizza berry
Be
on
careful.
cheese. Mommy, I said pizza berry on the way.
Just spread out the pizza sauce. So now we gotta open the pizza sauce.
Yeah, open the pizza
Ready,
sauce. We can do it. Let's go, baby.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it, and then Michael's going to finish, okay?
Okay, Mom. Wow. Whoa. Mama,
We
it's
gotta
my
hurry.
turn
We
now.
gotta deliver this pizza. We gotta get it cooked and deliver it. We gotta hurry, guys.
But we don't have to deliver it.
Oh, yes, Mom. We gotta deliver it.
Mom,
The man paid
it's
extra
my
money.
turn now.
Yeah.
The man paid extra money to
Okay.
get this pizza delivered.
What?
Here you go, Michael.
Y'all pay extra money?
Wow.
More?
Make sure it's spread it. Make sure it stays on the pizza. Oh.
Alright.
Oh,
Keep it on the pizza.
snap.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I was sitting on something we need. I need another.
What you need?
Whoa.
Do this, Daddy.
Alright, I'll get it out.
Mom, get more. Oh, that's
And you kind of stuff
this
it up
pizza
so y'all
sauce
can
looks
spread it out.
delicious.
Okay, now we're going to use our cheese and spread it
Yeah,
out.
cheese. I love cheese.
What kind
Bro,
of cheese do you guys have?
are you eating or are you making it? We have mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella? Ooh.
Wow.
This is a Sargento brand.
Sargento? Okay, cool. I heard Sargento.
Excuse me,
was a
sir.
good
Here you
brand.
go.
Well, we have 16 minutes.
Okay, go ahead and put the cheese on the
Go
pizza.
ahead and spread that pizza.
Spread the cheese on there.
We gotta get this piece of bacon. Don't eat the cheese, dude.
Put the cheese on the pizza, Michael. Spread it out.
We gotta get this pizza cooked and delivered.
Mm.
Bake is ready for the oven.
Okay.
It's not ready for the oven yet.
Yes.
Stop eating the cheese, bro.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
I'm not your bro. Do you see I'm doing it? Good job, Michael.
I'm putting it on.
Look at Makai.
Now, who was that?
Hold on, we got a phone call, guys.
Whoa!
Ordering another pizza.
Guys ordering pizza.
Hello.
Robinson Pizza and Bakery. Can I help you? Hold on. That wasn't good. What's our thing, y'all?
Dun, 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 dun. Did you order pizza?
Oh, we got a call.
Stop eating the cheese.
Robinson Pizza, how can we help you? You would like to order a hot and ready pepperoni? How long? Talk to the chef. How long, chef?
What you want? You want pizza?
Yeah, they said a hot and ready pepperoni.
Say what you looking for. We got what you looking for.
What you looking for? We cooking on some pizza. You want some?
Yes, ma'am. I would like a large pepperoni. Yes, sir. I want a large pepperoni pizza.
Okay, then come.
Okay, but-
that'll be $1 per slice. So if you want a whole pizza, we got a deal going on right now.
It's $32.99.
$32.99 for 6 slices. Yeah, bye-bye.
10 minutes, bro.
10 minutes, bro.
We did it, mama.
All right, what's next, Michael? What goes on the pizza next?
We got another order.
Sausage.
Oh my goodness. These orders are coming in.
Hello.
Hello.
What?
Hello, this is Robinson Pizza. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Robinson Pizza. How can I help you? What? You want a cheese pizza with
What they want on it? You want me to talk to him?
No. You want cheese with
What that?
pizza sauce? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we're bringing it right now.
The cheese.
We're putting it in the oven. So stop the car.
What's next? Peppers?
Peppers. I don't love peppers, but I do.
Yeah, we like a little peppers because it gives it a lots of flavor.
I'm just gonna taste the pepper and see what it tastes like.
Well, no, you can't eat these by itself because you'll get really, really sick.
I'll spread some more cheese.
Mama, why is this?
That's bacon and sausage. Go ahead, put it on there.
Okay.
Don't
Nicely.
Wow.
But get my car.
Oh, that's good.
I'm putting it right here.
Here, chef.
Don't be eating them all.
Open
Open the pepperoni for us. This looks really good, Michael.
Yep, it is really good.
Okay.
We did it!
What else do we have to add to it?
Pepperonis.
Pepperonis.
Yep, pepperonis.
Okay, here you go. Michael, I'm going to give you a few pepperonis. This is how you do it. Look, I'm going to show you. Gonna go 1, 2,
Wow.
3.
3, 4.
That was 1, 2, 3, 4.
There, here you go. Put them on the pizza for me.
Go ahead and spread it out. We like extra pepperoni.
Extra pepperoni. No, don't eat them, Michael. Put it on the pizza. Oh, wow, Makai. Good job, Michael. Here, look. I'm going to break yours up because it looks like you still have some together. Don't. No.
Mama, don't stop. Go. Mama, how about...
Let's go. Go.
Mama, how about... Mama, I say let's go. You say go.
Okay,
Let's
go ahead.
go.
Go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
Get in there and do it.
Just gotta put my head in.
Yep.
Shit.
Whoa. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
Go.
Do y'all think the pizza is done?
Oh,
So how can I help you?
no.
You would like a supreme pizza? Okay, we got our supreme special going on right now. Would you like that? It comes with a large supreme pizza for $35.99
Whoa.
and a large drink. The drink, it can be sweet tea, it can be water. Receptionist.
Okay, I got some chicken wings. So, Michael, what do you think about the pizza? You think it's good?
Yeah. No, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we need more.
Yeah, we need more. A little bit more pepperoni.
No, I want pepperoni.
You gotta break it up, remember? Here, let me break it up.
You can
Well,
break.
hold the camera for me.
You can break it. You can break it up and I can put it on.
Okay. Hold the camera for me.
More,
right.
more. Mama, I said I can put it on.
Okay, here you go. Yep. It can never hurt.
Yeah, more cheese.
It's gonna be a good pizza.
It's gonna be delicious.
Let's keep it up for 15 minutes. When the man comes, we're gonna give him it. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes.
Hey.
Beep, 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 beep.
Pizza Hut town down.
Yeah.
A-Town down.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
Hey.
Hello.
So the barbecue wings look amazing. Absolutely, yeah. Look at that. Ooh. And let's see about this pizza.
Minutes? About 2 more, yeah, about 5 minutes. It's been 10 minutes.
That looks amazing.
Good job, guys.
You said what?
My tummy is shaking and it's hungry. Yeah!
Your tummy hungry?
Good job.
Yes, hungry.
Don't you have to cut the cut it while it's hot?
Get the pizza.
Daddy do it. Oh.
Crook Ramsey.